Sabo Adishmame Mamunyina Ebraso Esa Yedi Dwadie Kasiebo Efri Adom 106.3 FM so Asomo Midini Ohemaa Sakyiwaa Ahwenepa Akrofi and then someone Yedi bro ye shase Edi Efri GRA Board Chairman ya wada Ghana Revenue Authority Cooperative Credit Union no ano Godwin Aaron Muyo and wade to just hano Esa nipa bia nanka wani da se wosie sika nanka dankwa ma wokọ ahwehie mu a akɔfa sika no ede abo mo ho bra no ene yi obi kɔ bum ogi sika no so onyi ne kuma bi o ogina kase na no ene wo say so obi yi sika de so akra no bi a empem ahanso 700 million obi timi kɔ yi 1.5 million Ghana cedis na no ena papa de atudwa say wono de wogidi ye say eye Ponzi schemes anasa sika kra bia bia ba ye bebu nkrofo afa so no ehu ayam hyehye ena amantase aka nipa bia ama wo mo yesa 11th annual general meeting adwumakoi ayo yase na wode sasemi ekotudwa.
The payment of high and unrealistic interest by some private institutions such as Esquire DKM and Embattlement Gold has affected the operations of our union and indeed other unions between 2016 and 2018. Most of our members have made huge withdrawals from their savings account with the credit union and investors same in these Ponzi schemes. The situation, Mr. Chairman, became very alarming with the closure of some financial institutions by the Bank of Ghana. Our average monthly withdrawal increased from 700,000 Ghana cedis to 1.5 billion Ghana cedis.
And Commissioner General GRA Emmanuel Kofinti and so they to management and as pennyfo or her GRA credit union so animu say one resa obi bia one ombedi dwaso de ne sika besi ho no obenya esom faso a ema na babu muda bibi te se bia won behwe so obesisi adan e de ama members no na pennyfo no so ahwese obi biara enye se bia ebeyim ana ebe nhwehwe animu obi a wosafata se woso odi adodoro de a ebeba sa sika kra bia adwuma no so no
The work of the credit union is to save us now in the future. As a credit union and for our future, they help us to plan how to go about things. And one of the most innovative things the credit union of the GRA has done is to create a situation where we can have where to lay our heads whilst we are at work and after we retire. And I would motivate the leadership of the credit union to make sure that the housing projects that we are doing are not only limited to Accra people. All members of the GRA credit union must benefit from the work of the credit union.
GRA Cooperative Credit Union GRACU and penny for ya wani adwuma from penny for share na wo hwekwan befa so ama esaba mfaso ama obibia na yikokotie ye no afa ye ko ensanfoforo mu a adokota from penny for ani wani abiebie enwuma Womu de ye ayasabi adwuma ena ne wo boja edigu mpanifo hwe womu adwuma no so ese womu hyemra bi tetemra bi ama kyekere adwuma no ama nei womu ahuse so womu anyi samra na mfi ho no mu enye ye sanse nipa ena hyemra na nipa nso na tumra guo wo se emra bi wo ho no mu a kyerese se wo ye ayasabi adwuma eni kwan se obodawuru nanso womu se esansa dawuru bo na eni honti no emma kansie ma adwuma nim eno ka hu bi ena ama eni obi kwa ayasabi ani akojojo no yade ode be beba na wanya pressure ka ho enti wosese wo kacha dental and medical council aban ene obibia ne ho wom se womra meboa se de be ye ombetimi ayi emra na fi ho bebi esi ayasabi esi ukokosi bi tan ho a wanya amane ne nkeka ho Dr. Ayu Afrie wono ne pani a wate ayasabi a e St. John's Hospital and Fertility Center no no ene adikon nanimu a wose dabi a wose ese samra anim
na ye ka obin for yes of course okok oleboa plastic unit omo surgeons and plastic surgeons that will be to me idea obi apebia enso no amanfo ni no akobe for look and wash on. So how would people know about this? They will be to me free Accra hospital or South Africa or to me call India or to me call London. Nobody will London or person Ghana not so bad idea will be kind one and those they don't do advert now how do you expect them to do business? And as idea was our watch since 1975 and no more yes idea that time I am prepared no more hospital and I will move here now a doctor from one hospital but who says there is only doctors there was a investment in clinics and you're open to everybody and then who could boost a pharmacy shop I was say 400 meters apart. This is a multi pharmacy. What are you talking about? Now, when I was can our kind of pharmacy by 100 or ever nipa 100. Why would somebody tell you to be a handsome fancy Hanose? Then what is the essence of competition and marketing?
Dr. Nana Ayu afri area wa manso ni Adom Dwadie Kasiebo nkomomu no say yi wo hwese abandon Adom betum bisan se ba sakra bebo aban e won hihye bebre ho eye adwumakuo yi eye Chartered Institute of Marketing Ghana SIM wo mu dwumadie bi a wo mu di ye a wo ka che Dr. Free so mekasa emfa asam atifia asam ene say the role of marketing in healthcare management na che say dwadi a ye di wura apomudin enwuma no mu eho ene kokoma asemi so
a doctor for your training doors, a nurse for your training doors. I buy quite me for Munina, and we should not make a mistake at all. I buy be create a enabling environment now my private sector so I take advantage. Now we create all sort of healthcare practices in the system. Now what's will be the meaning better? Then how would they be able to go? When they create awareness, meanwhile also there is a competition in the system. Hebality for Tom and Grow or Calmo or Hemfa or radio so or TV so, and they are also seeking to cure people. Now then on one side, you know, they are ultimately generating information. Now ultimately education call for non-call for better or herbal drugs. Now on the same side, you know, what's the clinic they want to mean services are open to me offer. Want to mean share the drugs that you have people can be able to use. And these are things we are saying that they're obsolete. A old time thing is it's not supposed to be so. I was there, sister. And this is a woman nipa 100 no one show me only man kasa ye one from mo fie mo ho te sen oboba one de jo mo so a e be du ho no mo no o de 100 or 100 start ye asofo fro no 50 be free mo na wo nipa 50 na say 50 no o ma ko jo ani say yes say hospital we de o come show ye o
Asam no. Where your penia na ya sabia any St. John's Hospital and Fertility Center. Dr. Nana Ayu afri and yet say watcher dream say enso heya wo maso e dia company for hwa ya sabia adwuma so Ghana ha abanfa ne hunyim na wonyina ni nkomo ni ye sanse obi ti Ghana ha what say ye address ese aya sabia bu India wo musa ya de ye o maso ano de ko na no obenfo address o ye ntini de ko na abenfo a woni madwuma pa no susu tifie ne emfa nkode a ene na asem was say share na e kan ye aha ene de Dwadie Kasiebo efri Adom 106.3 FM suno AC Adom dom ye na so de emrechen a eda dwadan so ye besan ene wo ahia kwame kolenu ene de efri Adom newsroom e ba ye Ayiwa 05 ene efie de se kokora ebo ni komu o cha kokora do bia o te town no bari kroma pork nyina ofri akọ pe no okọ ice bar no okọ jinani charity ni ye didi nyina ezamidi ni Ohemaa Sakyiwaa Ahwenepa akrofi na seze dia kaisa color party color fi yedidie no eye orange enti anu wa hye na wo de aba na no ene chai wa se black oboa orange na eche no na ache form fufu party no so kaifa tu trim say eye 6 March enti no amanfo March na so yesi wadrom enti bo modern say so ye choba do baba behunu Charles na oba adoma so hwe Charles na baba behunu Ombema stand no be wo fufu am ye di e be di ahwe ni monyam obado ye aduane ye di sa na ye fe na ni 10 days later na ya san so de color party na to aso so bra na be no na ye nyina ye ni me na minim no abet mo amunim no amo no na ye nyina ye di se si ayi de eya efie kwaso
Adom FM, all the hits and more.
6.3 FM.
Adom FM 106.3.